Hi there, this is Gabriela with another video. Okay, let's talk now about the initial settings. Okay, what you need to do to start your first campaign, your new campaign, or when you start using MoneyRobot. The first thing is proxies. I'm using proxies. As you see, if you have here no, that means you are not using MoneyRobot proxies or you are not using proxies. How can I change this? Simple. Go to settings, then go to proxies, tap, and then click here or here, whatever you prefer to use, for your proxies list. MoneyRobot includes more than 40,000 proxies. For me, it not make any sense to pay for something totally apart if MoneyRobot already giving me this huge advance. But everybody can work with their own preference. If you are using your proxies list, you need to include it here. If your proxies are private, are gonna come with some password, you're going to include here also. Okay. In here I use, like I told you already, the proxy shifting. I don't, for almost 7 years I'm not using anything else. Okay. Okay, this is the first part. Then the catch-ups. We have like maybe 1 year already. MoneyRobot include the catch-ups inside of the license too. If you go here, you can choose manual catch-up. That means you're going to solve every time they need to solve a catch-up. The automatically form, MoneyRobot, and then these two were previous the company. You need to make any account, no anymore. If you prefer, definitely you can do it. But MoneyRobot catch-ups are really good, solving catch-ups, and it's completely included already in the license you are paying. Simple. That's simple. Okay, the other part, a lot of people asking me, is the other settings. I usually leave this here and not leaving, changing anything. I leave it the way it's already set up. Especially if you're starting with MoneyRobot, don't try to do any change on here because make no sense. And if you see here, it's already checked the indexing service. It also includes inside MoneyRobot. Any updates also automatically sign in, and in here you don't need to worry about indexing service either. Here you can use any language you want from this list. Okay, catch-up service, that's before. Now you can use this one. You don't need more any service, third-party service. And proxies already show you about it. And the thing, sometimes people who like the black air, any other type of thing, that's depend on everyone. I definitely prefer the normal option, the regular one. I'm not really picky on that. Okay, I hope this helped you to set up your first campaign. Okay, see you on the next one. Bye.